Alright, let's see how to draw this simple piece here. Alright, so let's first look and kind of see what I know. I'm going to first draw this big outline here. Okay, and so let's start with that. I know this is, this is 200 millimeters up and 400 millimeters to the right. I know this angle is 45 degrees and the angle here is 90 degrees. I can see that. Alright, so here's, not there. Alright, here's a blank drawing. Alright, so let's do what we know. I'll start with polyline. Start anywhere you want. And let's move up 200, enter. And now move my mouse over here and type in 400, enter. Now here's the thing, I want an angle. You see where this angle is being measured from, okay? Right now that angle is 129. If I want the angle between here and here to be 45, that would mean this angle shown, that 125, what should that be? Well, that should be 90 plus 45, which is 135. Alright, so if I click Tab, now I can define the angle. So let's define this as 135, hit enter. Alright, and now, well, here's the problem. If I've already defined the angle, then I can't go back and redefine the length. So let's just click Escape, okay, and let's just see how we can take this here and complete the shape. Well, I know I want a line horizontal down here, so let's go draw a line that make sure it snaps, okay, it must snap to the endpoint, and let's draw it longer than necessary, okay. Now click Escape. Alright, so now we'll use the commands of extend and trim then to join it. So let's just extend this line to meet here. Okay, type in extend, hit enter, select the line you want to extend to, click there, hit enter, and now click this line. There, it's extended. Now click Escape. Now all I need to do is trim off this piece here, so let's type in trim, hit enter again, and then just click on that line, and there it is. Okay. Now, the only thing I need to do now is I need to go draw this box here of 75 and 100. Okay. Now, there's one way to do this were to draw a rectangle like this. One of the problems with that is it puts a line on top of a line. So for example, this rectangle, there's a line for the rectangle and a line for this edge here. We typically don't want two lines on top of each other, so let's not do that. Let's just do it with the line, and watch this. If you put your mouse here, don't click. Now just move your mouse up. There you go. Move your mouse up. You see those green dashed lines? Well, the height up here, let's type in 100. That's going to start that line a distance of 100 millimeters above that point down there. All right. Now the length of this line is 75. Hit enter. And now let's come down until it hits there. I have my perpendicular snap turned on. If you don't have that, sorry, so here I've turned my perpendicular snap off, and mine's still snapping. It's actually snapping because I have this intersection snap, which is very helpful. Okay, you may not have that on. I would recommend having perpendicular and intersection on. Okay, so these are the snaps you should have on. So now this line, you can just snap it there. Okay, and there is this piece here.